Greetings! In this exciting episode, I go from Ceres, Manitoba, run into some seriously bad bike problems, and then I have to take a little detour to a different town. And I eventually end up in Winnipeg. And if you would like to come along on the journey, please like and subscribe and join the caravan of the now. What is this? I guess it's pretty obvious what it is. It's tonight's campsite. Of course. I'm on the viewing platform. See the tent down there? Ooh boy, it's a foggy one. But it's day 58 and I'm feeling great. So this just happened. Well, I'm gonna have to make a detour. I'm sure it can't be seen, but there's a crack and the rim is a bit warped. So I'm gonna have to make a detour up to Brandon where there's bike shops. I won't be able to get to a bike shop today because it's a holiday. But detour time. I was gonna go to Glenboro and go see Sarah the camel. Seriously, that's what I was gonna do. I was gonna go see Sarah the camel. But nope, Brandon, we're Brandon bound. I unhooked the back brake and now I'm gonna stick to the paved roads on my way to Brandon just in case my bike completely breaks down on me. I can stop and be like, please help me. Please help me take me to Brandon where there's bike shops, except they're closed. I'm heading into the town of Brandon, and I'll be spending the rest of the day there for reasons I have previously explained. And apparently, Brandon brings you back. Oh, sure does. Also says welcome. Thank you. Stay tuned, Brandon. Gotta show you the tent before I pack up. It's day 59, day 59. It's 6:37 on this day, August 5th, 2025. I hope everybody is doing amazing. The bike is at the bike shop getting worked on. I'm here in Brandon sorting some things out while my bike gets worked on. Hey, little things, just things I need to buy. Toothpaste, some earbuds that block out background noise. I'm gonna need those for Northern Ontario because I will have to take the highway. And here I am in Brandon, just chilling. All right, bike's done. New drivetrain, new back wheel. Should be good to go. A rest stop, a nice rest stop. Been a while since I stayed at one of these. Perhaps a rest stop is where I am tonight. It's been a while since I stopped in sight. My bike's all set, my body's fine. A break is just what I design. Should I? Hey, it's the Ninja Turtle. A few cars appeared here overnight. Classic rest stop. Day number 60 of the Long Way Home Bicycle Tour. I slept in a little bit. 7:30 I woke up. Dilly-dallying a little bit. But I have been known to dilly-dally. Nobody can quite dilly their dally like I can. Hey, wait a minute, what? So I bought some instant coffee. I think I'll make some coffee and then hit the road. Day number 60. Yeah. The wind! No headwind today. I'm just flying now. You know, this isn't so bad. I've got a good wide shoulder. Also, it rained quite a bit last night and the gravel roads are gonna be mucky. But you know what isn't mucky? The highway! I'm biking on the highway today. Here we have a roadside landmark. This one is known as the eastbound halfway tree. Tonight's day number 60 campsite is probably going to be here at this loud rest stop. Somebody from Winnipeg reached out to me and said I could stay at their place in Winnipeg tomorrow. So that's what I'm gonna do, because I'll have a nice place to sleep and I'll have a place to leave my bike. And apparently there's a lot of bike thieves in Winnipeg. I keep hearing this. So it's great that I have a place to leave my bike. free bread. Hey, tonight's campsite. Looks like a sunny day. Day number 61.